So something I was working on today, I got my flat top 260 foot ladder line fed dipole up. Currently listening to Voice of America, which is doing a radio show, which is all Toby Keith music, since I guess he recently passed away. Coming out on, oops, let me hit the escape button there. Oh, hold on a second. Try that again. Coming on 6.195, which I believe it's English to Africa, but I believe the transmitter is coming out of Brazil, South America. But I like it because it does English stuff. It's news. I mean, shortwave's not what it used to be, but there's still stuff to be found out there, and coming in quite well. So that's what I was working on.